What must be added to x squared plus 6x to make it a perfect square? Now, this you can see here is not a perfect square. A number is missing, and that number is a constant. It is missing. Okay, look at the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let's neglect this equal to 0. Look at this expression. X squared here is what you can see here. The coefficient of x squared here is a. X is x. The coefficient of x here is b. And it is 6 here. A here is 1. But there is no c here. A c is missing. So it is that c that we are looking for. So when we add it to this expression, it becomes a perfect square. Now, I'll show you a formula that connects these three constants of a quadratic equation. It says that b squared is equal to 4ac. Take note of this formula. B squared equal to 4ac. So it is what I will use to complete the squares. Now, our b is 6. Our a is 1. It is c that we are looking for. So from the equation x squared plus 6, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to what? 6. So let us look for c. I'll use this formula. B squared equal to 4ac means 6 squared because b is 6. So we have it as 6 squared is equal to 4 times a is 1 times what? C. Okay, 6 squared is 36. 4 times 1 is 4 times c, 4c. So I'll divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. 4 will cancel 4. And so we have it as c is equal to 36 over 4 is 9. So c is 9. It means that the complete expression is x squared plus 6x plus 9. So as it is now, it is a perfect square. Number 2 says, what must be added to 2x squared plus 3x to make it a perfect square? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to what? 3. We are looking for c. But based on the formula I gave, b squared is equal to 4ac. So let's use this formula to work. B squared is what? 3 squared because b is 3. So we have 3 squared is equal to 4. A is 2 times 2 times c. Alright. 3 squared is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. C. Now, if I divide both sides by 8, it means that 8 will cancel 8, and so c is equal to 9 over 8. So, the complete expression is 2x squared plus 3x plus 9 over 8. This is the expression, and it is a perfect square. So, I want you to do this. What must be added to x squared minus half x to give us a perfect square? So solve it and drop your answer in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next episode.